Cultures Around the World by Vicky and Vanessa.
A culture is socially transmitted behaviors, patterns, arts, beliefs, and institutions that characterize a particular group or community of people.
Now let's travel east to find the Arab culture. The term Arab is associated with a particular region of the world. Almost all of the people living in the region extending from the Atlantic coast of northern Africa to the Arabian Gulf call themselves Arabs. There are 10 Arab countries in Africa and 11 countries in Asia. These people share common language, history, and culture. The Arab society is very family-oriented. Even meals are large family affairs. A thawb is a long tunic typically worn by men in Arab countries. A kufiya is a traditional Arab headdress typically worn by men. Abayas are robe-like dresses worn by women. Have you ever munched on some hummus and pita bread? Well, turns out you are having one of the most common Arabic snacks. Many Arabic dishes contain lamb and legumes such as lentils and chickpeas.
Even further is East Asia. East Asian culture consists of China, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Mongolia, and Taiwan. East Asian culture emphasizes the importance of family honor and the value of education. A kimono is a traditional robe worn by men and women of East Asia. Sushi, which is made of rice and raw fish, is a typical East Asian dish from Japan. Another common dish is Peking duck, which is considered a national food in China.
Now let's head west to Africa. The African culture consists of over 53 countries. Some of the many tribes are the Chua from Zimbabwe, the Amhara from Ethiopia, and the Bambara from Mali. African traditions are expressed through different types of art, dance, poems, and paintings. The dashiki is a very colorful men's garment that covers the upper half of the body, while the traditional female attire is called a kaftan, which is a loose-fitting pullover garment, usually with an embroidered V-shaped collar. The bubu, tuareg, and mitumba are some other common traditional costumes found in the African countries. Vibrant colors are predominantly used. There are different African foods based on location. For example, in Central Africa, meat preparations include crocodile, monkey, warthogs, and antelopes, while in Eastern Africa, meat is rarely used. Instead, they eat corn, rice, tomatoes, and saffron.
We've arrived back home to the USA. American culture consists of the entire United States. The American society is a blend of Native Americans as well as a large number of immigrants from various countries, like Ireland, Germany, Poland, Italy, Latin America, Asia, and Africa. The American culture is very patriotic. Some cultural traditions include the celebration of Independence Day on the 4th of July and Labor Day. American clothing is diverse and predominantly informal. One of the most popular pieces of clothing that originated in America was the blue jeans. American cuisine are the apple pie, banana split, brownies, corn dogs, crab cakes, hamburgers, clam chowder, lobster, hot dogs, New York-style cheesecake, and the Italian-influenced pizza.
We hope you've enjoyed our journey around the world.
The end.